Good morning everyone, friends, beautiful people. To this video, we are going to see Australian wildlife animals and sanctuary, and it is free to get in for everyone, public. And so we are on the way now down there. So let's see. That's the church.
In 300 meters, red light camera ahead.
Church. Okay, look at Bendigo Park, Bendigo Bank. Welcome to Ipswich CBD. Oh, look how nice it is in here. See? It's so nice. It's a very clean country city, right? I like the cleanliness in here. Okay, so just look at around the CBD, just drive around and see the very retro city. And what's that? That's the old building. And that's this is the old city in here that they keep it. It's like heritage area, so it's just nice small building around. You don't have big tall building in here in Ipswich. Just everyone will just keep it like this, preserving the area. Look at the side building in there. Okay, look at the architecture of the building. Today is Saturday and it's not so many people. Look how quiet in here. It's supposed to be very busy as Saturday morning. Look at this in here. The building here is so nice. Look at that. Okay, it's a green light. Look at this building. This is the modern area here, and the other side is the old building. Oh wow. Look how nice it is in here. This is part of Brisbane or no?
No.
No, this is different city. Okay. Hawkesbury. It's so nice, huh? Look at this. And it's very quiet. There's nobody here. So quiet. Okay, so on the right, we are at the entrance of Queen's Park. All right. There is a picnic area too, where you can sit down and have something to eat. Okay, we're entering now to the Queen's Park, and that's the sign. Okay, see what we can actually see in here. Okay.
Let's just remember that.
Look how beautiful in here. So greenery. It's the entrance of the park, and look all these trees. of nice trees. See all these trees around here. Okay, so that's the sign. We are entering. We're looking for parking actually. Those bots.
Oh, the mic right here.
And what's on? Oh, look all this bird. Oh, this magpie. Look at that. Really very friendly. Hold on, car coming. Look at those bats. Ano yun sa atin? Quacknate. Sa amin quacknate tawag dyan. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. This is all the wildlife in here. Very protected in here too. See? Oh god, look at that. Zoom all those. Let's continue. Look all those parts. Okay, look at this sign. See, we just need to be careful. It says in there, please do not touch me. And what happens if it's the bats bite you? You will have a virus. Okay. So just try to stay away from it. Okay, that's the sign. Hello, hello. Look all these trees, guys. Wow. It's the sound of nature. Sound of nature. Wow. Whoa. Look at the kangaroo. What? Oh. Okay, nandito na po tayo sa loob ng park. Oh, look at him. It's so cute. Okay. This is wallaby, right? Look at that. Nice wallaby. See how nice it is in here? Look at this. Okay, so this is the sign. Called Swamp Wallaby. Look at this sign here. Look at this baby. Oh, he's so cute. Where's your friend, huh? This is the dragon lizard, I think. Look at this beautiful tree, see? Look at this beautiful tree. Okay. Some water in there. Napakaganda po dito. Talagang napakaganda. Napakalaking park. At saka open to the public. Libre po siya. Wala pong bayad. Pupunta ka dito. It's nice to hear the sound of the dazzling water. See what we can find here. See, look at the sign. It says quail. Big quail. See? Guys, have a look. Here he is. He is sleeping. Look. He's sleeping. Natutulog po siya. Tingnan natin. See? Oh. cute. We are at Carpet Python. Oh my gulay. Let's see what we have in here. I can see my reflection on the mirror. Mirror glass. What's in here? Is it?
You just take the pictures of the thing.
Okay, okay. Oh, I see it. There's one. There's one in there. Zoom the camera on. Maybe. Oh, it's hiding. I can see the big toe. Oh. What is it?
The one that's
Page, the balls.
they're the ones that scare the hell out of me to hide.
Yeah. Okay, there's another one.
That's a huge frill, isn't it?
Oh, so cute. Oh, okay, let's have a look at it. Look at that. It's eating. Eating its food. Okay. Alright.
You might want to stand there and do a zoom. What the park looks like outside.
Zoom. How to do this one? This is the park outside. Outside Sanctuary Wildlife. So this is the outside area. How beautiful it is. Okay, it's very safe and very nice and clean. And in the other side, I'm going to turn my camera. So this is the zoo. See? Look how beautiful. Napakaganda po dito. Dahil kahit weekends ay wala masyadong tao. Talagang very quiet. And oh, you can hear the helicopter. So yeah, ito po ang Australia. Wala po masyadong tao. Okay. Now, let's have a look this. Eagle. Eagle. Let's read that one. Okay. Read all the rehabilitation and the treats that they had to watch out. And here we go. Let's have a look. These big babies. Look at him. Is it? Oh, he's by himself. Does he have any partner? Oh. Okay. Protected po yan siya. Okay, and in the other side, we have the black swan. Everyone. So, let's read the habitat of the black swan. Okay. And let's have a look there. So here they are. They're swimming. See there? That's their inhabitants in there. It's very nice to see the black swan. And this one is the, I'm not sure if it's a female or the male. But there's other two dudes who are swimming. Okay. Hello, ducky. Hello, ducky. Hello, Ducky. Look at this. Napakalaki po yung zoo dito. Okay. Let's continue our videos. Okay. Hold on. And we're going to the ant's home. Oh, ito yung bahay ng ng ant. Ant home. Look at that, mga kaibigan. Sa loob po sila sa tunnel. Tunnel po yan. Okay. Okay. Para pong yung nuno. So ito yung sign niya. Okay. So enter po tayo dito sa bahay ng nuno. See? So, enter tayo dito. Okay. Guys, look at this. Look at the entrance. Let's see. Oh, it's so dark in here. Oh, it's so dark. Look at that. I don't think. Oh no. Look at this. Look at this guy. He's a little dude. He's running around. Look, 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 look. I see him running around in the dark. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's very active. Oh. Wala pong aswang dito, ha? Walang aswang. Isa pa. Meron pang isa dito. Ito yung mga bahay nila. Look at this. Oh. Look at this little dude. Belby. Look at that. It's crawling around. Oh, so cute. Very cute. Ito yung loob. Ito yung loob ng nuno. Bahay ng nuno. Labas na po tayo. Ayun, napaka-dark po niya. Okay. Okay, palabas na tayo. And is away. Napakaganda po dito. As in.